Did you know you can set adaptive clock to lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8? Let's see how to customize lock screen clock appearance and give your Z Fold 8 a fresh new look. To change lock screen clock style, long press on the blank space home screen and tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap on Lock Screen Wallpaper in the left side. Tap on Clock Style. Here, you can change clock font, clock color, and set new clock style. Move slider to adjust so the clock looks as thin or bold. Customize the lock screen clock style you like to your Galaxy Z Fold 8. Set your favorite color to clock that set with the wallpaper. In adaptive clock style, when you move the object, automatically adjust the clock style to the screen. Tap on Clock Style to choose the Z Fold 8 adaptive clock style. Also, show or hide weather information and date above clock to your lock screen clock style. Toggle it on or off. Tap Done in the top right corner. Lock your Galaxy Z Fold 8 and check the new adaptive clock style on your phone. Which clock style would you choose for your Z Fold 8? Let me know in the comments.